Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In this lecture, we will see tuples operation like joining tuple, replication, slicing, comparison tuples, unpacking tuples and deleting tuples. So let's start with joining tuple. Joining tuple is very easy, just like addition. The concatenation operator plus is used between two tuples name. For example, city 1 equal to Jaipur, Indore and Udaipur. Then city 2 equal to Kota and Jodhpur. Now we have to concatenate these two tuples and assign it into new tuple which is city. So we will write city equal to city 1 plus city 2. But remember that both operands must be a tuple type. Means you cannot add a number or any value or string to a tuple. For example, city plus as a string we add state. So it will give the error. Now second is replication. We know that replication is used for repeating a tuple how many times. For this we use star operator. For example, city 1 into 2 means city 1 tuple will be repeated 2 times. Then we use slicing, and slicing is used for extracting out subpart of tuple using forward indexing or backward indexing. For example, city of 1 colon 3. So it will give the result Indore and Udaipur. Now the next is comparison tuple, which is used to compare two tuples using comparison operators like less than, greater than, equal to, etc. So for example, a equal to 1, 5 and b equal to also 1, 5. Then we check a equal to b, then it gives true value because in both the tuples we have number of elements same and the values are also same, so it will give true result. Suppose c equal to string 1 and string 5. Now the values are same but its data type are different, so it will give the result as false when we write a equal to c. Now suppose d equal to 1, 4. Now we will check a is greater than d. Then it will give the result true because the value 5 is greater than 4. Now next we use unpacking tuples. Packing means creating a tuple from set of values, and unpacking means creating individual values from tuples element. For example, t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, the length of tuple is 4. So, we need 4 elements, 4 variables at the left hand side to assign values of tuple. So, for example, in this we use w, x, y or z. So, the value of t will be assigned to all these 4 variables. Then we will print w, then it will give the result as 1. Then we will print x, then it will give the result 2 and so on. Now the next is deleting tuple. We know that tuple is immutable. So individual element cannot be deleted. For example, if we write del then index 1, then it will give the error because we want to delete a single element from the tuple. So it will give the error. So deleting tuples is only for deleting complete tuple using the del function. So if we write del t, then it will delete the t tuple completely. So it will give the, when we print the t, then it will give the error that t is not defined. So these are the basic operations on tuple. Thank you.